Hi, um, this is this is our Webstack portfolio project pitch. So let me play this slideshow. We were tasked to come up with a project title. So this is the slideshow Webstack portfolio project pitch. So we came up with a title app, Swift Bank. We decided to build a bank app. Me and my partner, my team member. Okay, first of all, my name is Nnenna Njoko and my team member's name is Ibrahim Fahad. So we decided to work work on Swift Bank app. So this is the project overview. Okay, that's the description of what the Swift Bank is a comprehensive and user-friendly banking application designed to simplify and secure personal financial management. Yes, the app provides a range of features aimed at enhancing the banking experience for users, ensuring ease of use while maintaining a robust sorry, let me go back, while maintaining a robust security. So you look at the features that will come, we've decided to implement. We have user authentication, secure login and account creation. We use encrypted credential to multi-factor authentication. So also the future will also have account management where users can view account balances, manage account settings and track their financial activities. Also, it can also have the transaction services. So it will allow user to transfer funds between accounts, pay bills and view detailed transaction. That's about the future. So let's go over to the next slide. Okay, it's also that's the continuation of the features: transaction alerts, real-time notification for transaction, ensuring users are always aware of their accounts. We have security measures, responsive designs. So the purpose of this is because it will aim to provide a seamless and secure banking experience by combining essential banking services with modern technology. It will focus on user convenience, efficient transaction processing and high level security to meet the needs of today's digital first financial environment. Yes. So the next slide. So you have the learning objective. Yes. Just like I said, this Swift Bank is a user friendly. We our our team aims to achieve several key learning outcomes. For instance, backend development, we build secure APIs, we develop and implement secure APIs to handle users authentication. Then also we'll do the database, while we design and manage a robust data schema for storing user information, account details and transaction history. Okay, we'll gain experience with them. We use database technologies like MySQL, essentially MySQL. That's what we use, or MongoDB. So for the server side logic, it creates a server side application. We use a Node.js, Express.js to handle requests, process transaction, and ensure data integrity. So also the objective also is for the front end skills. We use user interface design to develop intuitive and responsive interface using React. Yes, we use React. We focus on creating a seamless user experience for account management, transaction, and alerts. Yes. So this is also front end integration. Like I said, we integrate the front end with back end APIs to display real time data and enable interactive features. So we also work on the security practices, encryption, authentication, and authorization. We will use the JSON Web tokens. So project management, will enhance team collaboration skills. Of course, we'll divide tasks, set our milestones, and use project management tools like Trello or Kanban boards. We'll develop, of course, we'll develop a critical problem skills by addressing technical challenges. We'll debug issues and optimize application performances. By achieving this objective, we aim to build a well-rounded skill set that combines back-end and front-end development with a strong focus on security and effective project management. So the next slide. So the technologies used: front end, of course, HTML. For front end, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. Already know HTML is a markup language for storing web content, and CSS is for styling, um, the styling and designing. Then JavaScript is of course a programming language for creating interactive and dynamic web elements. React, JavaScript library for building user interface, enabling a responsive and dynamic front end. Then also the technology here, we'll use for the back end, we'll use Node.js, Express.js. Then for database, which I had mentioned earlier, MySQL, MongoDB. So then APIs, we'll use RESTful APIs. That's architectural style for designing networked applications, allowing communication between the front end and back end through standard HTTP methods. So for the security, we will use JSON, just like I've mentioned, JSON web tokens, SSL/TSL. Okay, protocols. These are protocols for encrypting data transmitted between the clients and server, ensuring secure communication over the internet. So the next slide, we'll have the challenges and strategies. Okay, security concern. Challenges might come ensuring that user data and transaction are secure from unauthorized access and potential breaches. We have the strategy to implement data encryption for both storage and transmission using SSL, TLSL. Else, we use JWT for secure. These are for security measures that challenges, of course, that will come up, and the strategy to tackle it. We use a JWT for secure user authentication and section management. Regularly update dependencies and library to patch security vulnerabilities. We'll conduct security audits and penetration on testing to identify and address potential weakness. Then scalability. Challenges: designing the application to handle increasing number of users and transactions without compromising performance. So this strategy here is to optimize database queries and use indexing to improve data retrieval speeds. Use cloud service or scalable infrastructure to adjust resource based on demand. So these are continuation of this challenges: integration of front end. Oh yes, better brand and all that. So let's go over to the next slide. These are still the challenges. So let's go over to the work schedule. So these are our map out work schedule. Okay, week 1, project initialization, set up the project repository, which I will have started, and development environment, define project scope, objective, develop user authentication, sign up, set up initial, create basic UI component, login page, registration, integration and test, integrate backend API with frontend. Okay, these are the mockups. These are the login mockups, login page mockups. This is the dashboard mockup, Swift Bank. Okay, that's diagram. Okay, and the last for now the list. Transaction page mockup. These are transaction page mockup. Okay, as highly stated. So we believe that the project will be a swift one, although it will not be easy. But with a time, as we have listed our timeline, everything will work out well. Thank you.